Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you if the Bluetooth not finding the devices, how to fix this problem. Now in this device, I am going to try to connect this device to this phone. Simply go to settings, tap on connections, tap on Bluetooth. Now you can see this is scanning for the available Bluetooth devices. Now I am going to open this case. Now after this one, I am going to enter this Bluetooth device to the pairing mode. You can see the name is not visible here. So for this, we need to turn off the Bluetooth in this device. Again, try to enable. And this one also, we need to close this one. Again, try to in pairing mode. You can see the name is here. Just tap on this one. Now we can easily pair. So simply in this way, we can fix the Bluetooth not finding the devices. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.